Welcome. In this yoga class, we will be focusing on connecting with our breath, observing the breath, and moving with the breath through a gentle, beginner-friendly sequence. Let's begin seated, softening the shoulders, allowing the arms to be heavy. No tension in the shoulders, the upper back, the neck. Let's go ahead and set an intention to be present. When you feel yourself drifting away, just come back to your inhales and exhales. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. No forcing the breath here. Just begin to observe how your natural in-breath enters the nostrils. And what sensations you feel as you exhale. Take notice of what your body's doing as you inhale. Are your shoulders lifting? Are you tensing anywhere? Begin to utilize your exhales to soften the body, sighing out any of that tension. Soften with your exhales. No stress here, no overthinking. Just being here with the breath, with your body. On your next inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, heart center. Full breath overhead, grabbing all that air, all that space. Exhale, draw it in, heart center. Inhale, overhead. Exhale, heart center. Inhale, overhead. Exhale, heart center. Go ahead and place the left hand on the mat. Inhale, right hand all the way up. On the exhale, reach it overhead towards the left for a side stretch. Inhale, center. Exhale, reach, side stretch. Continue moving with the breath, gentle movement here. When you're ready, right hand to the mat. Inhale, left hand. Exhale, side stretch. Inhale, center. Exhale, side stretch. Continue moving with your breath. Release. Go ahead and inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, twist towards the left. Left hand in back. Right hand rests on your left knee. If having the left hand in back is too intense today, place the left hand beside your hip. Beginning to soften the shoulders. Notice any changes in the breath. Notice if it's a little restricted here. No forcing, just slow, gentle inhales, exhales, reacting less, observing more, allowing us to create that space within the body. Next, inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, twist to the right. Sitting tall here, softening the shoulders away from the ears. Once again, no forcing in the breath. When you're ready, inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, heart center. Come to your back. Hugging knees to chest. Find some stillness, drawing the breath into the belly, expanding the belly. With each exhale, softening the shoulders and the neck. Full inhale. Begin to observe the lower back pressing into the mat, expanding on your inhale. Almost like the waistband of your pants are getting tighter here. Release the feet to the mat, mat with distance, elbows in line with the shoulders for cactus. Rocking the knees side to side, moving with your breath. Exhale, lower. Inhale, center. Nice, gentle movements. Begin to find some stillness here. Let the knees rest against each other. Taking this time to just be. Once again, no forcing the breath, just allowing it to flow. Notice where it's leading. The belly, the chest. Hugging knees to chest. When you're ready, come to seated. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.